look at this. So this is the old bumper. I put it in the old packaging, old fender. I'll take them out and show you, but oh yeah, nice and soft, good. So this is the new bumper. Gotta paint today. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna paint that, and we're gonna paint the fender, and we're gonna paint this lip. So these are all new parts. This didn't even go to this car, so we had to order that through trial and error, and this lip also, but all said and done, it's going to be a big upgrade. It's going to make it look like a different vehicle. So alright, now we got this fender right here. There we go. So that's the setup, and I'll just spray it all right here like this. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe the dust off of this right quick. For some reason this fender is nice and dusty, a little bit scratched. Brand new fender. You want to see something cool? Let's watch that backwards in slow-mo, because watch this. You remember that pencil trick when you were a kid and you just shake the pencil really fast and it gives the optical illusion that the pencil is rubber? Well, look at this rubber can I'm creating by playing this video backwards. Anyway, proceed. here we go, final product. So new fender liner. You know how those aftermarket ones are, they're real flimsy. New fender, new bumper. This model is the XLT, and we've got the upgraded bumper on accident. Wife's grandpa ordered it on accident, so I had to make it fit. For the most part, it's the same, but I had to get that new bottom lip down there to help bolt it up. A new bracket for the fenders, which is already in there. And these came primered. So I painted them with touch-up paint kit that I got off of Amazon, and clearly, you know, it's a touch-up kit, so it was 1 can of paint and 1 can of clear coat, but you can sort of see the difference. This is more of a green metallic, this is more of a black metallic, which I didn't want to order it from Amazon because of that, because I know that there is different colors for the same paint code. Like we were supposed to get anyway, it's supposed to be a gray but with a hint of green, and clearly from just looking at it, you can sort of see from between the hood and the bumper, the hood has more of a greenish hue to it, while the bumper is pretty much gray. But it's better than black primer, tell you that much. And for just a touch-up kit, there is a couple issues right here. Let me see here. You can see that black. That was from over sanding, and that too. When I did the 3000 grit wet sand, I sort of kind of went too hard when I was sanding and took it back down to the primer, which is fine. It's just that one spot. We can get a touch-up for that anyway. But you can see it's sort of orange peely. It's not as glossy as the door, for instance. It's almost there, but not quite. And that's because I'm supposed to have multiple layers of paint on there, along with multiple layers of clear, instead of just one of each. Well, pretty much 2 of each. But for 2 of each color, that, you know, that's not bad. It's back to 100%. He's gonna be happy. That's the end of that. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you like this, tune in, click up here, take a look at this video or this video. Those are good videos, and I'll see you on the next one.